Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into top 5 AI tools that every creator should be using in 2025. These tools can save you hours, unlock your creativity, and make your content look and sound professional even you are just starting out. Whether you are make YouTube videos, TikTok, podcasts, or even run a business, these AI tools are going to help you work smarter, not harder. So let's get started. First one on the list is MidJourney, one of the most powerful AI art generators out there. As a creator, visual are everything. MidJourney can generate thumbnails, backgrounds, concept art, and even complete character design in just seconds. Here's the cool part. You don't need to be a designer. You simply type a description like a futuristic neon city with flying cars in Blade Runner style, and MidJourney gives you jaw-dropping artwork that looks like it came straight out of a movie studio. For creators, this means thumbnails that stand out in crowded YouTube space, unique artwork for branding, banners or merch, custom visual for storytelling or animation projects. Instead of spending hours in Photoshop or paying a designer, you can have professional artwork in minutes. For me, MidJourney is like having full-time digital artist at my fingertips. Next up, we have Runway Gen-2. This tool is literally the future. It allows you to generate video clips from just a text prompt. Imagine typing a spaceship landing on Mars with astronauts walking out, and in a few seconds, you get a short, realistic video clip. For creators, this is massive because of three reasons. Number one is you can make B-roll and cinematic shot without filming. Number two, perfect for storytelling, sci-fi concepts or explainer videos. Number three and the last is it helps small creators compete with big studios by giving access to visuals that would normally require Hollywood level budgets. I have used Runway to create quick filler shots for my videos like cityscapes, animated text or even AI enhanced footages. It's a total game changer for anyone making content with limited resources. Third on the list is Soundro AI, your new best friend for background music. Music sets the tone of your video, but finding copyright-free tracks is a nightmare. Soundro solves that by generating custom royalty-free music tracks tailored to your needs. Here's how it works. You choose the genre, mood, and the length of your track. Soundro instantly creates unique music that you own. You can tweak instruments, tempo, and energy level until it's perfect. I recently used Soundro for a vlog intro, picked upbeat electronic 30 seconds and boom, I had my track that matched my style perfectly. No copyright strikes, no endless searching on YouTube audio library, just plug and play music made for creators. Number 4 is Jasper AI, one of the best AI writing assistants. As creators, we spend so much time on scripts, captions, video titles, and descriptions. And honestly, writing can be a bottleneck. With Jasper, you can generate engaging YouTube titles that get clicks, write video descriptions, optimize for SEO, brainstorm content ideas when you are stuck, even draft full script for videos or podcast. For example, I once had writer's block for a video on productivity hacks. I gave Jasper the topic, and in seconds it gave me a 5-point outline with catchy hooks. I still added my personality, but Jasper saved me hours of staring at a blank page. Think of it as your AI co-writer that helps you stay consistent and creative. And finally, tool number 5 is Designs.ai's Videomaker. This tool is amazing if you want to turn text into professional video quickly. All you do is paste a script and Videomaker automatically adds stock footages, captions, transitions, and AI generated voiceovers. This is perfect for educational videos, social media ads, quick tutorials, or product reviews. It's like having a video editor on autopilot. Sure, it won't replace a skilled editor for advanced projects, but if you need fast, clean, and professional looking videos, it's unbeatable. For beginners or busy creators, this tool means you can publish more content without burning out. So there you have it. 5 AI tools every creator should use in 2025. MidJourney for stunning visuals, Runway for AI videos, Soundro for music, Jasper for writing, and Designs AI for instant video creation. These tools are seriously changing the game, and the best part is you don't need to be an expert to use them. Which of these tools do you want to try first? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you don't miss my next video on the future of AI for creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.